no cry. Enti da ben na ndisi fo betimadi no cry. Achire Ghana for.
How can the finance minister in one breath repeal e-levy and reintroduce e-levy?
And government has introduced Dumsor levy. I don't know, auto 1 liter petrol beer, you bet 1 cedi. For every 1 liter, 1 liter is 12 cedis. It is for every 1 liter of petrol that you buy, the government will take 1 cedi from that. Sadly, bear with you, Afenyo Markin, Bonohene, any other Ghanaians are more TikTok app, so, my be fire Mahama pa, I can be at the bus, kill net government, ben all running. I'm more fun than we part of you. I heard me, how you Penyah block media. That's what I said in the over like if video now down over subscribe button, never click notification and connect latest update. Now better the wife and their mommy, comment section, so baswa. Not should be over for so any be ashes. 80 minimum pass Mahama Ghana for boss oba. Government over a tax-free government. Government are empha tax Ghana for Kumu. You come high. I'm gonna buy no if you want more. Better tax 10% or if about COVID-19 and the way or share but when many Friday, now you transcend obey and not a flow. They watch young one crying who said, or they 40% electricity bill, abba, and 4% water bill is come from 18% of the I buy, number. Obi also one for tax banner, you kukurumponi, any 18%. You kukurumponi, 18%. Then, yeah, I say, I go in that's all day. Everybody amount for cry reactive to that. That was young cabin shame. And at the floor of Parliament. After Forson so I can't see me here. Oma Kota, you know, when we said there be, ye hisika, 80 else the tax for forever. Omo kofa ba, Oma kofa tax via to the Dumsor levy, levy.
To help raise additional revenue to fund the needs in the power sector, the government is proposing an increase in export price of petrol, diesel and related products. The impact will be absorbed by the gains made from the strong performance of the Ghana cedis. The Speaker, I repeat, the impact will be absorbed by the gains made from the strong performance of the Ghana cedis. And this will mean that consumers will not have to pay extra for the price of petrol and diesel beginning today. Right, Honorable Speaker, our simulations suggest that there will be no increase in the export price of petrol and diesel in the next window beginning today if the levy is imposed. This is because of a strong Ghana cedi. Right, Honorable Speaker, the levy will serve as a dedicated source of funding to the power sector, and the proceeds will be earmarked for the procurement of essential fuel for power generation. The Speaker, this will ensure that Ghana enjoys stable electricity.
What is before us is the Energy Sector Levy Amendment Bill. And basically, it is saying that Ghanaians should give 1 cedi, one Ghana cedi each, when they buy a liter of fuel, so that we can end Dumsor. That's all. 1 cedi. All of us should contribute 1 cedi. Just 1 cedi per, so that we can end Dumsor. 1 cedi. Each of us, when we buy fuel, 1 liter.
The prices are going down.
1 cedi. And Mr. Speaker, it is not e-levy.
I didn't answer auto petrol 1 liter beer. You bet 1 cedi. That's it. Petrol 1 liter no air 12 cedi then to something pesos. And for every 1 liter of petrol that you buy, the government will take 1 cedi from it. It will calculate more to 10 liters near you to 10 liters. You have 10 cedis. The liter be able to be a day beer. For every 1 liter beer, you 1 cedi on it as levy tax. Let's say I'm about to say that the way e-levy corner, e-levy promise because e-levy there. Now for every 100 cedis transaction, you just pay 1 cedi. But we know 12 cedis, not 1 cedi. Tell me what you say that the way e-levy promise. Now do you buy no? It was your Afenyo Markin, Bonohene, any other Ghanaians on the TikTok app. I beg you, come your father to end this guy say massa. I'm more fun than that baby. I don't know what person must coming Ghana for sir.
No cry. Enti da ben na ndisi fo betimadi no cry. Achire Ghana for. Sa NDC ni tie me. What the idea ma no the farmer wa. No the wachi. Ti secretary ti akromfo. No the benku abehwim number moko. NDC we Ghana ni na NDC ni ma wade na wa dwene yo say aban papa betena konwa so a. I'm telling you today, aban papa bia metena konwa so.
Ne ka na da hodo.
Aban boni NDC na aban no, sa aban na da so tia konwa so.
Ne ka na da hodo.
Ya say na ukọ pump station. Asa ka for the tell me, the am from the filling station no. Ya say petrol bo ya te so amana ba form, ya te ase dollars no, sabe cedi atimi appreciate ama dollar no na ho odi aba form, ya te ase inflation a drop ya te ase. But the issue is the ordinary Ghanaian na wonam kwan ho no na brabo ne nsesae.
Ana obedi ara na o kan ko si.
Ghana ni no awon to dokono ba ko 5 Ghana cedi. Dokono ba ko 5 Ghana cedis na no ton otodo.
Ne ka na da hodo.
And I body ba ko 10 Ghana cedis. Me ami ko dwom time for dwom. Me nante ya pam. Ma me to body ba ko betem ba ko. Was here 10 Ghana cedis. Me hwana nim din. Anti bibia sesaaye.
Jenia kasa.
Die gina na gina.
Jenia kasa.
Na ade ba ko wo mu ye hyenkani a me patro tie me ye pa. Tro drivers taxi drivers mu mani na ho.
Etumpan.
Honorable to Forson. And the request, you can request her. And the said, you be a common him as of the fee. The opinion and they said, Yansan for 12 fro, and but 2 fool also, Ghana. And there be a catch now, some petrol here, your tower filling station, and our pump station, you know, a 2 who do a dash of my Ghana muno, and a man of one costro. And see, what gum. Adi ama Ghana for because Ghana for to Abama no enti onya no ma trekese sabi enjimi Ghana for adwene na Ghana for so aban yi ba on se petrol ya teso $1 aba form inflation a drop e
ana obedi ara na o kan ko si
no wie kire a wase abebu kom adi some papa bi oto akokọ no wo bu ne namu na akukọ ni su na wo su no ato abura gu ho na akukọ ni refi se papa no a wo to abura ma no wadi ka ebu ni nam akukọ trekese no
ne ka na da hodo
akukọ no wo pese o mi akukọ a wo ma na buro no odi no obu ni nam
ana obedi ara na o kan ko si
obu ni nam a refi ne ho
ne ka na da hodo
o tutu aburo sa ma na obese asoso
say anya o te ba na bi ni mpan sa
na ni refi sa wo na obu ni nam
etumpan
andi si aban no
and no na me dream who am I can't think far, can't think madness.
And what you know, atu Forson the atu Ghana for him say, oh, sa atu no kra no ye de ba. Enyan sunsanso petrol bo so. I'm telling you woboa.
Jenia kasa.
Ghana petrol no yanya na sabe ye dane petrol crude na ni o. World market kosoro be kosoro. I'm telling you today. Petrol buono sa world market kosoro ebe kosoro enti wutra na ye Ghana ni now ye NDC ni now wo sere now nunu ho no the request ko parliament no mo accept approve because omo ododo e wo man na se be fie na wi akire world market petrol buo crude e kosoro a ebe pemo money na ho omo ya zanfo
Jenia kasa
tell man
How can the finance minister in one breath repeal levy and reintroduce levy? Mr. Speaker, Mr. Speaker, we went into conclave. The issues that he just raised as justification for running this bill through a certificate of urgency, it never came up. Mr. Speaker, will the interior minister who was up challenging me ask the finance minister to tell us under what rule he came under? Mr. Speaker, what is the precedent that is being set? Mr. Speaker, Hansa is watching. Hansa is taking note. One day it will come and hound them. If today they think they have no mess, they will bulldoze their way. So be it. Have your pleasure. But bear in mind that someday what you are doing will come and haunt you. Mr. Speaker, with all the justification, with all the justification. What stopped him from engaging this side of the house? This morning, I must be honest that the majority leader whispered to me that something of urgent importance, of urgent value would come. Mr. Speaker, it is only important that we engage and you let us know. You come with your justification. You came here to present your budget. You presented your budget saying you are not going to introduce new taxes, new levies. Then you turn around, you say you are repealing e-levy. You are all over the place. Now you are bringing back e-levy. And then you say that the Ghanaian public will not feel it. Mr. Speaker, you repeal e-levy, reintroduce e-levy. That's what you are doing. What are you? This is the e-levy. You have introduced e-levy. Then you say that you run it through certificate of urgency. Mr. Speaker,
honorable members,
the e-levy being introduced.
Honorable members, this is a house of record.
What is it?
Honorable members,
Mr. Speaker, with respect, allow the minority to have its say. You allowed the minister to speak. What is energy sector levy? Short form e-levy, is it not it? The energy. What is energy? Is it not E? How do you spell energy? Is it not capital E? The short form of the law, the levy, is e-levy. You are reintroducing e-levy. That's what you are doing. Reintroducing e-levy. And you are going to tax Ghanaians. Mr. Speaker, and you say under certificate of urgency.
With a quick one. And then a finance minister, you're out to Forson about Parliament, or better to Parliament, and him said, John Mahama buying I share our money at 12 forever, which is a new tax, a new levy. Now, so levy, no, if you know D levy, got D levy, do you know, agent a home at Dumsor? So, what the Dumsor levy ever. Now, Dumsor levy now, Mondiba. On what the actual better a petrol in diesel so. Until Okona to petrol and a diesel 1 liter on better 1 city. What it means is say on what the tax not to petrol bosswa automatically lorry fare so bobe the ebe cost roof is a driver nino or to petrol near a tax 1 city or bet chesa cano up to passenger force. It's the end CCM in we can say, Okoto fuel. Auto 4 liters. Auto 4 liters. What it means is a bano a better 4 cities tax. It's in print auto 4 liters. A boy and no a year 49 cities 84 pesos. Auto 4 liters is here. Omode a tono to swa now kotoa a fade 4 liters no boy be costro acquire 53 cities 84 pesos. Let's say 2 by 4 cities. So also na driver in the koto let's say 10 liters. 10 liters no no at 12 10 cities. As a motor at 12 10 cities now and print auto 10 liters. A buono a year 124 cities 60 pesos. But some they are torn to some driver ni and our wish private car. A fade okoto fuel now. A born be free 124 cities, oko 134 cities. Say in case says be obeto 15 liters, okano and nom now to 15 liters. 15 liters no and print a born 186 cities for 15 liters okoto fuel. That is 50 liters near 186 cities, 0.90 pesos. And also, so no, John Mahama de 12, 15 cities air to so. 80, I don't know, Anka Nebuano a year 186 cities. No, a bed jumpy up 201 city. What it means that trot driver and a bus driver for no. Sa Sikia about to so at 2 or managing a car into a bed chama passenger for what it means and they say. Lorry fare no a best apostro. It's a vision for that's the breaking news. And then John Mahama the new tax air bar your friend D levy, which is Dumsor levy. Yeda mwase.
Abusua John Mahama ene na aban say there. Omo de Dumsor levy eba. Enwumere ya na eba betodwa entie nche Ghana for mo ba betua Dumsor levy. Kane a ye dum no krom a no ba betua hoto. Debi abeka cho say John Mahama ne na aban de omo be scammer Ghana for kill net aban. Unim say levy no say there tie ne say omo say ukoto petrol ene me no ka say petrol ya around 12 Ghana cedis. Enti ukwa akoto petrol asem ka say 12 Ghana cedis a obese tua levy ba ko e de account which is 1 cedi. Enti petrol no say 12 cedis a obetua e 13 cedis. Enti the more I auto petrol no the more na wotua levy no. Enti no just imagine auto petrol 500 cedis a obetua levy say and the esa wa o. Enti sa levy we e na Akufo-Addo de ba ye levy. Na Akufo-Addo de omuhunu say no after COVID-19 no ewiase ba bia ye den. Enti de omo ye ne say o ko send sika na bro 100 cedis e kwa obetua just 1 cedi pe. John Mahama de wanya ne say was wo kwa akoto petrol na usika no petrol no a liter of petrol 12 cedis a free star price na ekobia no betua 1 cedi. Enti free 12 cedi obetua 1 cedi. Otobro 12 cedis a una the more I want to na kese na wotua ko nanim. Enti wey what it means ne say kwaku ko gina kwantia sa ka sika o mo so matete so driver for no esa de ba beshim because petrol say esa de levy about account. Enti John Mahama ne na aban de medi kan ka chembe say omuni bibia ye okruma ena omo nkofo nso omudi omache esa omo mafutupa no omo nso emo mafutupa. Enti aban no say anwumre di aba beto dwane say enche me maame a wo fie me papa a wo fie me nua wo fie o ba betua Dumsor hu levy Dumsor hu levy.
You go rich everybody. I was just Scammérs na come home bio yedi fa onsa ba akoma so na follow me what we are now actually say 2028 it is still possible. Here John Mahama na me depa bra oyi levy electronic levy if you hold na me depa intiama ni parodo bebre e den ebo no nsem ema wo e wo say what the another levy be ba ya na yempede na ne de eche okure yesi efre bi ES levy levy no ana na yedi ES levy aba ES ne energy sector levy enti na obeto petrol 1 liter bia ye the 1 cedi ebeto so enti dakro we a total driver na say auto 15 liters a na chese dakro bia obeto 15 cedis upeu he ye was some of levies ni bi o ho a eya o minim driver ni bia be so many years ni won send this kada wona ma oduru kwa no so na Africa ona sia me kwa no so do no wato ma na nso ne de upeu sa levy a ebe ubetua bi ni nyina ye de chekere o man no ento de ye nya abotre Scammérs tama no mo position and sai mo kan ye no o ma ba ban mu no o mutimi nye da o meda na o ma no aka asem foforo ye levy ni free ho ana ne ye de ES levy aide aba. Let's enjoy bibia be kama why me say John Mahama tesu bibi papa biamba Dumsor energy sector opa opekro nka say o tuma ko 5 cedis still no Dumsor no Mahama only legacy be apart from Dumsor.
Breaking news for levy is back. Yes, we don't get to see a little Penyah Parliament. Finance Minister Keso ato Forson ako Penyah Parliament. Now, or say Parliament pass a bill be afraid to say energy sector levy. Now, omo pass sa levy now. Okoto petrol every liter bia obeto bia no ubetua 1 cedi. That is auto 100 liters ubetua 100 cedis. Auto 1000 liters ubetua 1000 cedis. And no nka fo na auto no no. And no levy nko awutu ya busia muyentie video no embra na ewia ye bedim komo.
Honorable members, the Energy Sector Levies Amendment Bill 2025 has been duly presented and read the first time. It is referred to the Finance Committee for consideration and report, including the determination of whether or not the bill is of urgent nature. And report to the House. Yes, Honorable Minority Leader, let me hear you.
Mr. Speaker, with respect, the surprises are becoming one too many. Mr. Speaker, how can the Finance Minister in one breath repeal levy and reintroduce e-levy. Mr. Speaker, we went into conclave. The issues that he just raised as just...
All right, ebusiafo, where the obisi, and no bin the commentrio, boss yakuno diniti, kwaji achirema. Wei, see your chamia only masemka, or snana, wasumwa, where the wankasa wati, say a yet second speaker of parliament. Kasa, now catch the parliamentarians and say, where a minister and a finance minister kasa to force in Diaba, or say energy sector levy. Young person is che. It's what you must free now. Okoto fuela. Yeba be the 1%, a kind of 1% per liter about the toso. And to lawyer friendly after soon as I because rubium because drivers for no munya fast, drivers for lawyer friendly, some be to munya fast, yebetum munya fast, yebetuma sama musisia, yen to subium, yebetum.
Or the Dumsor Nabo, or the Dumsor Nabo. 24-hour Kanya Nedum Ebusian for the other 2 years new. Na ye kanye and a Ghana for yenti. John Domani Mahama buying say or the energy sector levy 1 cedis on every liter of fuel ever. Ebusian for liter beer 12 cedis. It's a buying at the 1 cedis ever come. Yanka who said 12 cedis and none taxes will be also that. And then ne or side the 1 cedi back home. First no. Now over 95 pesos every 12 cedis so, and then other 1 cedi back home. What it means in a say, 4 beer to be not 1 liter. 1 gallon a year 4.5 liters. Tria over 4.5 Ghana cedis, and then the amount John Dramani Mahama by. Or say, who for do I know the e-levy? 100 cedis, they all send you 1 cedi and on the boarding. But John Domani Mahama said, Uto full 12 cedis or do 1 Ghana cedi. 100 cedis, 1 Ghana cedis, or say on TV that Ghana 4 bread. And ne or dear 1 cedi on every 12 cedis of liter of fuel. Mumu dear, Opa na we, Opa only Mumu transfer. But fuel, one of us on to fuel. So only car qua, or better car. Car now, no driver, no auto fuel. And the other will be now when you can't share e-levy, Nassika de ma buying a 1.5 billion Ghana cedis. What the maximum threshold in a 2 billion. Betting tax, Nassika de ma buying is around 200 million Ghana cedis. It took a e-levy and the betting tax boomer every year Biana a buying over 2.2 billion Ghana cedis. And here betting tax in e-levy. The account was a year D-levy, friend Dumsor levy, friend energy sector levy. Every month, the Ghana has fuel consumption 427 liters of fuel and using every month. What it means in a say, Busumi Biano, NDC buying under John Domani Mahama any era to force every reki in 427 million Ghana cedis monthly. All the boom times 12 na annual inflow na 5 over 5.1 billion. Then you have how do you told me say 2.2 billion na kufa J both with e-levy bets and a dose Ghana for what show it would be yet at Yadiamai. Then Obedia 5.1 billion Ghana cedis. Where is Sika Obedia 50 member phone or not 5.1 billion annual inflow, tax inflow at them. Sassy KB na kid sit down, Sassy KB the debate to be an eddy, Sassy KB the way to Tadiashe, Sassy KB the way to car pass a car say ya. A buy under NDC, I can bonnie 4 buy to more deal for with you for buying a budget 5.1 billion annually. Eddie, I go back to government. Eddie, Kaye, I got for money I have and they are 2 Abayamon. But they make kind of say voices of conscience must start speaking. A dos will they mean so much more than but with their bruise so.
Other person was coming Ghana for sir. Gerald of Mammy, comment section. How you Penyah Block Media.